Welcome back to CryptosRUs. I am George. We're all George. So tonight I want to share something interesting with you guys. I am not at my usual setup, but I did see this interesting tweet from Peter Schiff, and we all know how much Peter Schiff loves Bitcoin. And I missed this yesterday, so I'm sharing it today. But you could see this is what he tweeted. My Christmas gift to hodlers is this Bitcoin chart. As you can see, Bitcoin is much closer to its ceiling than its floor. The yellow line that was once support is now resistance. Since the upside potential is so low and the downside risk is so high, the smart move is to sell today. Interesting. What makes him feel like the upside potential is so low and why the downside risk is so high? Right? This is the question. This is the $1 million question. Why is Peter Schiff so negative towards Bitcoin? Now, if you were a pure chartist and you were non-biased, I could say, okay, maybe this is something we need to pay attention to, where the resistance has turned or the support turned into resistance. However, because this is coming from Peter Schiff, well, you got to take it with a grain of salt, or a boatload worth of salt. So, of course, Peter Schiff, in my opinion, does this because, number one, he does not like Bitcoin because he's still trying to defend gold. And number two, he does this because he wants attention. And many people have called him out on this. But this one is actually a pretty nice response from Jack Fox that says, well, you know what? Look at this chart from the 90s. Where gold actually just went sideways, actually broke a little bit below, right? And then look at what happened in the 2000 when it started skyrocketing. But of course, you look on the right side, Peter's like, well, I doubt Bitcoin will follow the same path. Instead of breaking out, Bitcoin will likely break down. Bitcoin is an anti-gold. Again, no real reason given other than his dislike in Bitcoin. So, there you have it. Peter Schiff will always be flooding Bitcoin. He doesn't really have any real justification why he thinks Bitcoin is going to go down and not up, right? And when people compare Bitcoin's track to gold, of course, he likes to flood that as well, right? But here, look at this response. Willy Woo responded to Peter Schiff. My gift to Peter Schiff every day of this year is this live chart in dedication to his hard work marketing Bitcoin to his audience of gold bugs. Okay, and you could clearly see, had you put $1 in gold going all the way back 13 years ago, it would be pretty much the same level 13.2 years later. But had you put $1 in Bitcoin, wow, that $1 in Bitcoin is now worth tens of millions of dollars. So, yes, $1 from 2010 would be worth 1.73 had you bought gold, but $1 bought in Bitcoin will be worth $22 million today. So this is a good reminder to Peter Schiff that investing in Bitcoin, right, there's plenty of upside. Even though, yes, there's downside, there's always corrections, but the upside is unlimited. And we have not nearly tapped that potential upside, not even a little bit. There's way more to come. So there you go, my friends. I just want to share this interesting tweet from Peter Schiff. Now, of course, looking at tomorrow, today in the U.S., we had a breather coming off of Christmas. Tomorrow, futures market is looking green, although we've been faked out a few times about this. So we'll see how tomorrow and the rest of this week goes. Can we finally see that Santa rally come? I'm hoping so. I'm hopeful. Bitcoin, you can see at 16.8, it did go up slightly not too long ago, but it's holding around 16.8, 16.9, so slightly higher than this morning. But tomorrow we will see if the markets open green and what happens with Bitcoin. But nevertheless, Peter Schiff will continue to FUD Bitcoin. Stay strong, my friends. Don't be Peter Schiff. and I will see you guys later.